Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the markets in the last 24 hours have had a volatile session, and with the markets first of all taking in the data from the US inflationary, which came in lower than expected and therefore has seen the dollar index drop. Therefore the market, some of the technicals have supported some of the rally. Along with that, we've still got the US Federal Reserve rate decision with a 50 base point rate hike to come. Looking further, the Australian dollar does still have the job numbers, and also we've got the Bank of England's rate decision, and also the ECB rate decision, and also the Swiss National Bank as well. With all these expected rate hikes, the markets no doubt will continue to be a slightly whipsaw manner, with the Australian dollar reaching its objective, which was at 68.45. It briefly looked above there, but finding a little bit more than taking on supply has knocked it back sharply. Still, we're still positive in the market's technical aspect, and therefore could see another up test and maybe even towards 69 cents. As I mentioned, the ECB, all eyes on them for Friday, and no doubt we could see another hike there. Therefore, could put a little bit more upside momentum for the euro, and that could take us to 107 and reassess. Any pullback likely to be shallow, as the strength for the trend is still bullish. The topside challenge for dollar yen got into quite a bit of a bother for the bulls and actually retreated aggressively, and the market plummeted and also sending a negative vibe back to the market. There's now looking to 132 with that trend line still holding firmly. Should see further pressure to the downside. Super Thursday coming for the pound. No doubt we are looking further to the top side, maybe to 126, as the technicals are still strong and the ADX is still relatively bullish. The gold, well, the market rebounded after a little bit of a whipsaw price action, but now looks 1,830 to 33 as an objective, and we are now trending again, so it keeps the bulls intact. Wrapping up with oil, well, since that rejection of 71, we're now looking back to that top side around $76 a barrel. The RSI is bullish, so therefore we might find a little bit of difficulty getting beyond there and could actually see a pullback after reaching the top side to $73. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. Hope you enjoy the rest of the day.